So the first thing you're going to want to do is get into that SSH session. And for me, I just have an alias to do that for me. Now from here, we're going to use a command called screen. So this is going to open up a separate environment, a separate screen in order to allow us to run our program in that screen, close the terminal, and then that screen will still be running on this SSH session. So the command we can use to do that is screen-s in order to actually call the session something. So I'm just going to call it my session. Now we opened it and this is our new environment. So from here, we're going to run whatever environment setup or whatever change directories we need to do to get to this program. And then I'm just going to get to that program and run it with Python 3 in this case. Now the program is running. So how can we exit this session while still letting the program run? In order to do that, we're going to do Ctrl-A, Ctrl-D. And now we've detached from our session. Now let's say we close this terminal and we want to come back at a later time in order to reopen it. We can get back into our session and we can use screen-ls in order to see all the sessions that are running. So right here, we can see that this is the session that we made before. So we can copy and paste that and type in screen-r. I'm assuming -r stands for reconnect, but it doesn't matter because now we're back in our session. And that's another quick tutorial with Jordan44.